Hey beautiful souls, welcome to another video from English House. I've got two young fellas with me. Can I ask your name?
My name's Chaku Swaiki,
Where are you
and this
from?
is I'm from Palestine.
Palestine.
I'm Hamoud Sechin and I'm from Egypt.
Egypt. Oh, nice. So what we're going to do is we're going to show you some pictures. Okay, it's a fun game where I'll show some pictures and they'll tell me what it is. All right, in English. So here goes your first picture. What is this?
Tell me what you call it.
Okay, I'd call this sidewalk.
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 Sidewalk it is.
Okay. Next one. This one.
And eraser.
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 Eraser. Yep.
All right.
What about this?
Pin.
Yeah, thumb
Just-
pin.
Thumb pen. Thumb pen.
Thumb
Oh,
pen.
Or
alright.
just pin, yeah.
Or just
actually.
pin.
What do you call it? Yeah. What do you call
Thumb
it?
tag. It's
Thumb
thumb
tag.
tag.
What about this? It's a vehicle. Big one.
Truck.
Truck.
Truck. You don't call it lorry.
Lorry.
You call it truck.
All right. Next one.
What about this?
A windshield.
Yeah.
Windshield.
Windshield.
Not windscreen.
No windscreen.
Windshield. You call it windshield.
Yeah.
That's nice. And here's your
This one.
next one. This thing.
Pedals.
Yeah, that's the pedal. So,
Pedal.
yeah.
Next to the
Gas pedal. Brake pedal.
Gas pedal
gas pedal.
and brake pedal. Okay. We call it accelerator. Accelerator.
Okay, yeah, accelerator.
What
This
about
one.
this one?
Flower vase.
Or flower pot.
The
Oh,
pot for vase.
Vase.
You can call it vase or vase. And the last one.
Airplane.
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 Yeah, airplane.
Okay, not aeroplane. You call it airplane. Good.
It's like
Excellent game. That was it, guys. Thank you so much for playing this game with us. It was an honor talking to you and having you in our video. I hope you guys enjoyed it as well. So say a big hi to our audience.
Everyone liked the video.
All right. Bye bye.
English House. English at your fingertips.